Hello, welcome back to my made my eyebrows. If you want to know how can I made a perfect eyebrows, you can watch my previous videos. Now you watch this trick and tips. Eyebrows should be done perfectly. Today I'm going to teach you how to do a beautiful eye makeup. First I'm going to apply concealer on my eyes and blend it well. And gonna set the concealer with this powder. And I will contour the nose. And then I applied this light brown color on my eyes and blended very well. After the applied is brown color, you should apply this maroon color on your outer corner and blend it very well. Your blending is so perfect in your both eyes. And then you took this blending brush and blended very well this both color. And then I apply this dark eyeshadow on my outer corner and blend it very well. And then you apply this all colors on your lower lash and blend it very well. And then I apply this beautiful eyeliner on my eyes. After the applying this eyeliner, I apply this lower lashes on my beautiful dummy eyes. And then I apply this eyelashes on my beautiful dummy eyes. Look at this, she is so beautiful eyes makeup. I loved it. If you love this eyes makeup, you can drive the comments on this video. And then I apply this highlighter on my nose and brow bone. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share my videos on your friends and relatives. Thank you so much. Bye bye. And then my eyes is complete. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you for watching.